In this quick video, I want to show you how you can hype a video on YouTube. It's a pretty cool new feature that they have available. Now you have to be on the mobile app. You can't do it on a laptop or a computer. So if you're having that issue and you're on a computer, that's one reason why you can't hype. Alright, so what you have to do is be on your mobile app, go to your YouTube account, make sure you click on YouTube. And what we're going to do is we're going to find the video that you're wanting to hype. So let's go to home, let's find a video here. Let's say I want to hype this particular video. So the criteria is that the YouTube channel or the video that you want to hype has to be less than 7 days old, and they can't have any more than 500 subscribers. So this is a new feature that YouTube has to help the smaller creator. So let's go ahead and click on Noah Plays Video. Alright, good thing about it is it's less than 7 days old, so I can hype. Now, as a content creator, you can give up to 3 hypes per video per week, and it resets on Monday morning Pacific Standard Time. And then it'll give you another 3, and you can hype a video more than once. So if I want to use all 3 of my hypes for that week, I can do that. So what you're going to do is go to the comment section, as you can see here, and what you're going to do is you're going to swipe to the right. And you should see the option, see here, hype this video. It'll either be a fire flame or a star. If for whatever reason you can't see that hype, go ahead and like it. And that sometimes it's fickle, the hype, and then scroll again and see if that hype's available. Or you might have to go out of your app and go back in your app and then see if it will light up. And then of course look at the matrix. It's got to be less. They have to have less than 500,000 subscribers, and the video has to be under 7 days old. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and hype. I'll be the first to hype them. And hype 140 points, yes. So, as you can see there, I gave him a hype. Now, what does that mean? It helps boost the creator in the analytics. And there's actually a leaderboard. And there's really no rhyme to reason for the points. Well, there actually is, and YouTube knows it. And so the bigger the creator you are, you have to have, in order to be able to give hypes, you have to be a YouTube partner, but you have to have less than 500,000 subscribers, which most of us are under 500,000 subscribers. But if you're up there in the echelon of the 400 to 500,000 range, it will give the creator, the small creator, more points. It gives them more validity. And there's a leaderboard per region, whether you're in Brazil, you're in southern the United States, whatever. And there's a leaderboard, and what will happen is it'll boost your video in the analytics and make it more visible where other people can see it. It's pretty cool. Now, I'm a small creator, I only have like maybe 30,000, but it gave it 140. So if someone that was bigger, like 500,000, they might give them more points. But that's how it works. And again, it's you got 3 per week. There might be a way you can buy hypes, but you know, who's going to do that? But it's a pretty cool new feature. For example, I got one video that I released like 2 months ago. In the first week, of course, I got 35 hypes, and I had a total of 1,500 points. And yes, it did help in the analytics. And I noticed I got a huge boost at the very first week. So if you got a video that's got hypes, that's a good thing. You know that a lot of people are watching it. And again, if you're a big creator and if you give a hype, that gives it more credence. Now, if you're a smaller creator, let's say you only have 1,000 subscribers, that will help your video. Someone gives it a hype compared to if you have 30,000 or 100,000 subscribers, it doesn't give you as much views in all analytics. So the whole premise is that it gives more power to the smaller creator. All right, if you have any questions, put it in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe.